Hi friends, welcome once again and welcome to Wallah once again, and today we are here to discuss the scope of chemical engineering as well as the future of chemical engineering and in which manner this branch is going to evolve. So let's start without wasting any single second. So first we will discuss the ground reality according to the conventional method. So we know that core job already exists in oil and gas sector as well as pharma sector, as well as fertilizer sector, as well as specialty chemicals, and we have a more number of industries which are related to the extraction, because suppose in any industry if there is a work of extraction, then there is a need of chemical engineering, but we have one limitation that we have limited number of companies, location constraints because plants are located in remote areas, and entry level hiring is competitive plus slow because many roles demand experience, and entry level often require experience or plant exposure. Now we will understand the salary reality. We are going to discuss all these things without gate. Suppose you are going to just start without any PSU or just from tier 2 tier 3 college. So average package for fresher is 3.5 to 6 lakh. Typically entry roles 4.5 to 9 lakhs, after experience then 20 plus lakh, but it will take a lot of time if you will go with conventional manner. Then reality tier 3 college is 3 to 5 lakh and top IITs 10 to 20 lakh. It is the reality. Now the biggest myth is that chemical means only oil refinery and only in this sector there is high job, but we know that because electric vehicles are going to revolve in future, the demand of the petroleum sector will go down because oil and gas sector is shrinking in long term, but growth is shifting to, because never any industry will die, only it will shift from one conventional form to another conventional form. So that in future they will focus, or we will focus in green hydrogen sector, battery technology like lithium ion batteries, because in all the EVs we are going to use the lithium ion batteries. Then sustainability, so new age skills, higher salary, and that is of 20 to 30% premium. Now we will discuss where the future lie, that is the chemical engineering is not dying as I told you, because it is going to shift from one phase to another phase. Now we have high growth areas like renewable energies, hydrogen, EV batteries. Now we have solar panels that are also related to the photovoltaic cells. Then pharma and biotech. In pharma also things are going to evolve in different manners. Then semiconductor, cooling and materials, because semiconductor is a very wide area, and our complete auto industry and some more industries, our mobile industries, our laptop and all these industries mostly depend on the semiconductor chips. Now we have environmental engineering, because now we are more concerned about the environment and we are going to make the such kind of devices with the help of, so that we can reduce the pollution, and we are going to now monitor the PM10, different ones. In Delhi we installed smoke tower also. So we have different areas, and that we need to work, because that is evolving industry, because in future we know that if air quality index will go like this, then there will be a lot of diseases. So if we need to skip all these diseases, then we need to develop sustainable things so that AQI will go down, and it is possible, it will be possible with the help of environmental engineering, chemical engineering, because a number of countries already did that. Now second, one more problem, that is the pollution in the rivers. Now we are going to work on this one, again related to the environmental engineering. So this is why scope is expanding beyond traditional industries. So now scope is beyond the tradition. Now tradition, otherwise most of the people think that chemical means just oil and fertilizer, but beyond, there is something beyond that we need to understand, and we need to understand the need of the hour. So let's start next one. Now one more option, that is GATE chemical engineering. Up to this point we discussed that if you will go without GATE or without any PSU job, then what will be your future. But if we will go with the help of GATE, so we know that PSU jobs, especially IOCL, BPCL, GAIL, ONGC, even some PSUs are going to recruit with their own exam, like IOCL, like ONGC, because last year they conducted their own exam, but technical syllabus will remain same. So first benefit that we will get PSU job, because once we will prepare for the GATE, then we have multiple benefits. First benefit is that you will get an edge in your semester. Second advantage is that you will get an edge in your Viva. Third advantage, you will get an edge in your campus placement. And then GATE, then we have different kinds of PSU exams. Then we have state public service commissions, in which chemical engineering candidates are eligible. So main thing is that one exam and we have, or one exam preparation, and we have multiple opportunities, but we need to explore those opportunities. Like pollution control board exams, we have different exams which are other than GATE, like BARC exam. So one GATE exam is a gateway to your success, and it is a gateway to opportunity. Then we have after IIT, if we will not get a decent rank, then we will get MTech. Then in IIT, once we will go in IITs, if you are from tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 college, so once you will go to IIT, then automatically you will get good placement as compared to your BTech. Then we have stable career. So that's why GATE is almost mandatory for every chemical engineering students, and every chemical engineering student must write GATE for a stable career and for career growth in future. So it was all about the scope of chemical engineering. So conclusion is that this branch is a very highly specific branch, and we know that this branch is available only in the premium colleges of the country, either IITs or NITs or some good private colleges, because and every year nearly 17,000 students filled from the GATE, and nearly 15,000 students appeared in the GATE exam. So competition is between the good candidates. So once you will prepare in a proper manner, and then automatically you will get a good rank. And if you want to get our guidance or under our guidance, then you can start your preparation. We have various batches for different years. Suppose you are in first year, second year, third year, or final year pass out. So we have different batches. For 2 year we have Shreshth batch, in which we will teach you from the scratch, from minus infinity to plus infinity, but in 2 years. Suppose you are in second year and you want to appear in third year, then we have Parakram batch. In Parakram batch, within 1 year we will complete your syllabus with each and every topic, with lot of practice, with 1000 questions of all subjects. Then you can join our Parakram batch, and if you are pass out and this year you did not get any decent rank and your rank is not good and you are not satisfied with your performance, so for your rank improvement you can join our Vijay batch. But Vijay, remember one thing, that Vijay batch is not for foundation. Vijay batch only is for rank improvement. So it was all about the chemical engineering. So if you want to shine, then you need to do a lot of hard work, and you have time, because at present time April is going on. So because you need to write this exam, if you are going to write in 2027, so in the first or second week of the February, then you will write this exam. So you have sufficient time, and if you don't know even C of chemical engineering, then with the under our guidance you can get a very decent rank, because every year we have a lot of experience to teach or to guide or to mentor students, and next you can be our star. So it was all about the scope, and don't think about negative about anything, because in every field you have scope. Just only one thing to survive, and that is just you need to update yourself with the need of the hour, because in market, suppose IIT Hyderabad launched a branch, that is AI in chemical engineering or chemical engineering, chemical engineering integrated with the AI, because that is the need of the hour. So we need to upgrade ourselves, that what is the need of the market, what is the demand of the market, and once if we will prepare like this, then automatically certain your career will be stable and you will earn a lot, you will get a stable and respectful career in your life. So it doesn't matter at which stage you are, so just you need to prepare, you need to have patience, you need to have trust, you need to trust the process, and then automatically you will get. These are our various Telegram channels: civil engineering UPSC, ESC wala, mechanical engineering, ECEE, this one, then one GATE wala English. Then as per your branch you can this one, but this is specifically for chemical engineering. So you can connect with us, and if you have any doubt, either technical or non-technical, you can contact with us. So we will meet with another session. So thanks for giving your valuable time, and so thank you very much.